The color of your urine says a lot about your health. This is what your color means. The colors have always given us the information about something. For example, in a traffic light, if it is in red, we already know that it has to stop, or if it is in green, we know that one must advance. But did you know that we have a body light? Urine can give us information about our health. You can even know how well our organs are working. This can be discovered through a range of colors that we can use as a body traffic light, knowing if we're okay, or something bad is happening. Generally, we can notice that the urine varies from an almost transparent color to a very dark yellow. However, many times we do not pay attention to these colors. There are even times when you do not take the time to take a moment to make sure everything is alright. Next, we will teach you everything you need to take as a reference when you go to the bathroom again. Turn the color of your urine into a body traffic light. 1. Transparent. If the color of your urine is totally transparent, this means that you are drinking a lot of water. It would be advisable to reduce the consumption of this. 2. Pale yellow. This is ideal color. It means that you are healthy and very well hydrated. 3. Light yellow. This also can be attributed a normal color, indicates that you are effectively healthy. 4. Dark yellow. This is normal, however, try to drink water more often. 5. Honey color. Your body is not getting a good amount of water. Increase your consumption before you get worse. 6. Dark brown color. Here you can begin to worry. Here you can have severe dehydration, or even liver disease. You can fight it by taking 8 glasses of water a day, along with a visit to the doctor as soon as possible. 7. Rose or reddish. Immediately you see something like this, you should see your doctor. This can indicate a kidney disease, a urinary tract infection, or prostate problems. It is also important to note that if you notice that when you urinate a lot of foam may be due to an excess of protein in your diet. On the other hand, the use of drugs for chemotherapy and laxatives can cause variations in the color of your urine. There is nothing like attending regular checkups with the doctor and ensuring that you are well. If this information has helped you, do not forget to share on your social networks with friends and family to help them also if they are unaware of